Abomination, meaning something that is regarded as extremely offensive, disgusting, or morally wrong. Definition: abomination is a noun that refers to an action, condition, or thing that is hated or despised due to its extreme unpleasantness or immorality. It often suggests something that causes great revulsion or is deeply immoral. Examples in sentences. 1. The idea of exploiting animals for entertainment is considered an abomination by many. People strongly oppose such practices because of the cruelty involved. Here, abomination refers to an act that is morally repugnant and widely condemned. 2. The abomination of war has led many nations to seek peace. The destruction and loss of life it causes are seen as deeply immoral. In this case, abomination refers to the horrors and moral wrongness associated with war. Usage: abomination is used when describing something that is morally offensive or disgusting, something that is widely seen as wrong or evil.
English practice.